Hello guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. On this channel I'll be reviewing pairs every Saturday and Sunday, and I'll drop my analysis on both my Telegram channel, on YouTube and on Instagram. You can also add up on WhatsApp. I'll be posting some of these signals on my WhatsApp status. Okay, this is the news for next week. For next week we have from Monday, we have this is Monday. We have news and the impact of the news. This one is medium. So this one, there's possibility that the market might get to pump or dump. But though we still check our charts every single day. Anyone that gets to our entry, we take the trade, make our profits. That's it. That's how simple it is. Okay, so I've already analyzed this pairs, the possible one, which is this one now. So from here, I'll be taking pairs to make analysis on these pairs, and that will give you trades and signal based on these pairs. So this is the news. So here we have news with high impact. We have the Australian dollar also. Then we have the euro and other news with high impact. This GBPJPY. So we're going to take analysis on some of these pairs and see how it goes for next week. So coming to GBPCAD, this is daily time frame. I'll be taking my analysis mainly on the daily time frame because I'll be having a clear view of what is going to happen on the daily time frame, because this is a higher time frame. Check guys, if you look closely, this is daily time frame. This is British pound, Canadian dollar. So tracing the liquidity from previous analysis backtesting, and here we are. Here's the swing. Market has retested this particular swing. Market has made a push up and tested this too. And currently market is testing this particular pool, of which I'll be expecting a move up from this particular place. From this particular move, I'm personally expecting a move from here to this zone. So this is what I'm looking out for. Next, but we need more confirmation before we take the trade. We need more confirmation from our 15 minutes candle, 4-hour candle, 1-hour candle. Anyone that gives us confirmation, we take the trade. And this trade, I would like to stack more, because this looks like a very high probability trade for me. This is 506 pips and 126 pips. This is too wide, so we'll be looking out for a more defined order block around the zone before we pick our entry and place a trade on this particular pair. This is GBPCAD. Then coming to GBPJPY, this is the analysis I've already made on this particular pair, and I'll be looking out for trade. I've already backtested and I'll be looking out for a possible entry short. I would like to sell at this particular place. I'll sell at this particular place and sell till market grabs this liquidity. Then I might decide to close my first trade around this zone. Then wait for market to either test here. I'll be looking out for market to test another block around this zone before I place a second entry for a sell. That's say I will sell up to this zone or this zone, depending on how fast this market moves. I would like this thing to happen in a week. After a week, I'm closing off. This is a good swing. This is a good swing for your trade. Then around this zone, I'm looking out for a buy, and I would like to stack more on this particular buy. So from here, I'm looking out for a buy from here up to this zone. Let's calculate our pips and see what it looks like. When market gets here, I would like to check out for a candlestick confirmation using price action pattern. I would like to look for a price action pattern like a Morningstar, a bullish engulfing, like a hammer, or any candlestick confirmation that I see here for a bullish move. I'll be picking my trade from here. So if I see a confirmation around this zone, then I'll be picking a trade around that zone. Stop loss size is not that too wide, 106 pips. Yeah, the take profits, it's a good risk to reward, up to 1:4 risk to reward ratio. So I would like to pick a trade on this. So this is the pairs I'm going to be taking trades on this week: 1, 2, 3, and 4. So for these 4 pairs, I'll be taking a trade. I will also drop a video on my analysis on this particular pair. I don't want my videos to be that too long, so I'll be ending this particular video. See you with my analysis on this particular pair. Have a nice week and trade well. Don't risk too much.